Meet Scraps, the three-legged dog with a dream of riding a skateboard. Now meet the kids who are going to use LEGO Technic elements to build the electric skateboard. But first, they'll need to get familiar with their build materials.
Wait a minute, did I just put that on the wrong...
No comment.
To fully understand their capabilities, they'll need to take them for a test drive. What a drag, am I right? Okay, maybe I'm jealous.
Yes!
Now it's time to really get to work. First up, dismantling these sets for parts.
Y'all are feral.
Don't worry, Scraps, they've got this. They started by layering the Technic frames to build out the structure. Not only is it important that the skateboard could carry Scraps, but bonus points for it actually looking like a skateboard.
So cool.
You got this, Scraps! On the skateboard! Come on, Scraps, you got this!
Make it fun, make it real, make it work.